Welcome to iFactory 3D. I'm at the booth with its CTO, Martin Hoover. Hi, Martin.
Hi.
You're presenting the One Pro 3D printer here at the booth. Can you tell us how it's different from other printers?
So what makes the iFactory One Pro special is that it's a conveyor belt printer, so that prints on a belt, and that makes it possible to have fully automatic series production and to also print very long parts, several meters long.
Where did the idea come from? What kind of problem did you want to solve with that?
So we started in 2018 with the first kind of these printers, and the idea is to bring 3D printing into mass production. So to make it possible for our customers to solve issues also on a large scale and to bring products to the market in series with 3D printing.
You created your company in 2020. Why come to MEDICA this year?
Yeah, so we came here because we are also based in Düsseldorf, where we also produce, and we had the luck to win this stand from the city of Düsseldorf.
Okay, well, congratulations, and thank you so much for your time.